Hello there. Welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how to buy crypto on the cySync app using Binance. So follow along. On the cySync app sidebar, select Buy Crypto. Select the fiat currency. I am selecting INR. Select the cryptocurrency. I am selecting Bitcoin. Enter the amount. The displayed price is inclusive of the transaction fees. The minimum and maximum amount will depend upon the coin pairs that you have selected, that is the fiat and the cryptocurrency selected. You will get an estimate of the amount of the crypto you will receive. Select the wallet name. Select the account. If the account has not been added to this wallet, then you can do it by clicking Add Account here. Choose the payment method. There are multiple payment methods available. For this tutorial, we will be selecting card payment. Log into Binance. If you don't already have a Binance account, then you can create one. Make sure the amount and payment method are correct. Enter your card and the required details. After this, you will be able to purchase the crypto. And then you can withdraw the crypto and transfer it to the wallet in the Cypherock X1 hardware wallet. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to buy crypto using the cySync app.